2019 to 2025 Toyota Corolla electronic parking brake maintenance mode, so you could do your rear brakes. What's up, everybody? So if you're in a Corolla and you have the little electronic e-brake switch in the middle, I'm going to show you how to turn it into maintenance mode so you could do your rear brakes. It's right here. There's two methods. I'm going to show you the first method is the manual method, and then the second method is the scanner method. So the first method is if you have an electronic parking brake like this, what we're going to do to put it in maintenance mode is just a couple combinations of doing the switch and the on and off button on the car. So let's go ahead and get to it. So first you want to do is hit your, if you're going to have a push button start button, push button ignition, sorry about that, you're going to push the button twice, 1, 2, then you're going to press the brake pedal and hold it like that, and then we're going to lift up the emergency brake button 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, and we're going to push it down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to release the brake from your foot, and then you're just going to push this down until it fully unwinds. Now, if it works out right, you should see a parking light flash. It could look like this, or it could look like this on the earlier 2020s, or even the button might flash. But you should be in maintenance mode at that point. Now, you could turn the car off, go do your brakes. You still have to compress the rear caliper. And then when you're done, when you have your brakes all in, we're going to turn the maintenance mode off. Now, the way I do it is I come in here, I turn the power of the car on. Of course, pump your brakes after your brake job. But I'm going to lift this up until it fully expands and like locks or sets. And then once you hear it stop moving, I'm just going to hit it up again. Just boop, boop, and then it should get out of maintenance mode. Now, sometimes the light will still flash. Cycle the ignition button or the key, and then it should go away. Now, the second method is using a scanner. So same thing, you got this set up. I'm going to use this launch scanner right here. This is like $120-$150 on Amazon. I'll link it below. You got to plug it into the DLC right here. And then we're just going to load and connect to the car and basically jump into a, this is like in the scanner what you would see. You just go to a service function, and then we'll go to electronic parking brake reset. They call it reset, but it's just maintenance mode. I think it's like a translation thing is why they have it like that. We'll scroll down to Toyota, click that. And then, of course, it'll just like have to load up the screen. We'll go to this parking brake module, click OK. And then on the bottom here, special function, we'll go right there. And then we're going to go to brake pad replacement. Just click that, and then it'll say use this function to fully release the parking brake actuator. And then, make sure the vehicle's in park, blah, blah, blah. You're on a flat surface, wheels are chalked, and then just hit OK. And then it'll open the e-brake up. And then right now on this screen, it'll say replace your pads. So at this point, you could turn the car off. You should still see the parking light flashing in the dash or the button flashing. And then, so you go do your brake job, and then after you're done, we'll just come back to the scanner, and you'll just go to turn maintenance mode off. You just push OK, and then it'll say like, complete, and then the emergency brake should be good. Now, if it's still not set back to regular mode, you can just use the manual method to set it back to manual mode if you need to. Hey guys, real quick, if you own a 12th generation Toyota Corolla, I just want to let you know I do have a repair tutorials video pack. It's over 17 videos of repair videos and other stuff. Basically all the most common repairs and some uncommon repairs that you'll run into owning a Corolla. It comes on a USB stick. It also includes the front brakes, PDF, tutorial walkthrough, other PDFs. You get all the part numbers, you get links to the featured tools and all the parts, aftermarket and OEM. All you gotta do is go to my fourth wall page, link below, go to the video pack, add it to your cart, and then if you're on desktop, you can just go to the right and hit checkout. If it's on mobile, it's a lot more easier. Put in your shipping address, your payment info, and then shortly after that, you'll receive your USB stick in the mail. It's $19.99, but it's totally worth it. I highly recommend it. All right, back to the video.